woman came to help serve tonight, and what she didn't realize that she would receive her miracle while she was serving. She said before, without her glasses, she could only see a blob of color when looking at the poster up there. Now she can actually define features in your face. And and that was for 10 years. She had holes in her retinas. And then in her ear, in her right ear, she was hard of hearing since 10. And tonight, she felt that her ear open, her hearing improved. Not only that, a mass in her neck, she said, my finger.
I need that mic volume up, please. I can't hear a word that's going on. If you can turn the volume up.
Yes, sir. So
Thank you.
on top of all of that, by a finger length, the mass on her neck has been shrinking as she came up here to testify about her hearing being healed. So God healed her eyes, her hearing, and
Which
the mass
ear,
on her neck.
sister? The right one. Come over here.
This one?
Come over here.
Yeah.
That ear?
That one.
All right. Put your finger in this ear. Stick your finger all the way in. All right. No cheating, all right?
Jesus. 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 Jesus.
You can see me and you can hear me. Isn't that great? Come on, give the Lord Jesus a mighty hand clap. Enjoy a miracle. God bless you. Go ahead.